Esteban de Dominova serves as watch captain of the Death Watch within the Jericho Reach. Dutifully appointed to his fifth vigil of the Reach, de Dominova would be seen as a brooding, quiet, yet intense commander. Earning himself near legendary tales of his deeds as an apothecary, it is said those who undergo surgery by his hands on the operating table are relieved to awaken without loss of limbs or life, despite grievous injuries. Gifted with a quick mind and unwavering judgment, Esteban works alongside both the Inquisition's Ordo Xenos and Adeptus Mechanicus Mago Biologus in understanding the xenobiology of their enemies to better exploit their weaknesses. Hailing from the Crimson Fist chapter of Astartes, de Dominova is a capable warrior in his own right and leads his kill teams with distinction from his watch fortress of Eriok. Guarded and difficult to read, Esteban is closed off, with exception to only the most trusted of his battle brothers, with even these favored souls knowing little of his personality or struggles. Yet for those who know him best, Esteban is a pious and impassioned Astartes, fluent in various languages, learned subject matters, and an incredibly dry wit. For his duty to the Death Watch continues to this day, and the Ordo Xenos are fortunate to have such a valuable warrior within their ranks.